So yes, I have finally started bolstering my logging streak up. I'm up to 4 days. That'll probably drop off. I can't seem to log every single day, but I've got a 12-week streak running, so that works. Yeah, the new mobile rig is just absolutely awesome. I've been having a ton of fun with that.
So what'd you get?
ICOM IC706 Mark II-G with the Radiodity HF008 antenna.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, it's very cool. I just want to show you this because this is so neat. Can you put my screen back up there, Josh? These map shares, our developer did a great job on these map shares, and I know I show these off all the time, but they are so cool.